Hello there, it is Jayla here with this week's Beach Report. This time I'm coming to you from Jeanette's Pier. This morning has been super cold and windy. The high has been 23 degrees. It'll slowly heat up throughout the week until Thursday. Friday will be the warmest with a high of 60, but it'll be kind of rainy. Saturday we will get a little bit colder though. It'll be a high of 45. Now, as for events, Wright Brothers Day is on Wednesday, where you can celebrate with the First Flight Society at the Wright Brothers National Memorial starting at 9 a.m. There is a Nightmare Before Christmas pajama party at Bonzer's Broken Candy Cane in Kill Devil Hills on Friday, where you can throw in some PJs and meet the Pumpkin King. Saturday is going to be a tea party with Elsa at the Outer Banks Brewing Station's Christmas Vacation Station. And then Saturday is going to be the annual Shock Hatteras Festival at the KOA in the Tri-Village. This year, we're fundraising for the Chickamaucomico Fire and Rescue. The celebration includes an art market, food, games, and local music all day long. And the only ticketed part of this event is the all-you-can-eat oyster tent, so come and hang out for a while. Lastly, we have a first day of winter celebration on Sunday at the North Carolina Aquarium on Roanoke Island. There will be crafts and activities about winter animals and the way that light has a role on the natural world. That's about it for this, but for more information on everything that I just said and a full list of everything going on from Corolla down to Ocracoke, please check out OuterBanksThisWeek.com. Thank you, and we will see you next week.
OuterBanksThisWeek.com. Don't miss a thing.